If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When you open a PDF portfolio in Acrobat, its view shows the portfolio's files in a table. The table contains columns of information about the portfolio's files. The files appear as rows within the table. The default columns in the table from left to right are name, description, modified, size, order, and relationship. A small icon for each file also appears at the far left side of the view. To change the sort order of the portfolio files, you can click the column headings in the table. The column by which you are currently sorting the files shows a small upward pointing or downward pointing arrow. If the arrow is pointing upward, the column is sorted in ascending order. If pointing downward, it is sorted in descending order. To sort the files in a PDF portfolio in Acrobat, click a column heading to sort by the values in that column in either ascending or descending order, and then click the same column again to change the direction of the applied sort order if desired. Acrobat also lets you use the Portfolio Properties dialog box to change the view of a PDF portfolio. To open the Portfolio Properties dialog box for the current PDF portfolio in Acrobat, right-click in the Files list, and then select the Portfolio Properties command from the pop-up menu that appears. The Fields section of the Portfolio Properties dialog box shows which columns appear in the file table within the PDF portfolio. To show or hide the fields, check or uncheck the column names in the Fields section, or select a field in this section, and then click the adjacent Show or Hide buttons to the right. To change the order of the columns in the table from left to right, click a field name in the Fields list, and then click the Up or Down buttons at the right side of the dialog box to change its order within the list of fields. To sort the PDF portfolio view using the Portfolio Properties dialog box in Acrobat, select the name of the field by which to sort the view from the Sort By dropdown. To select the sort order for the selected field, choose either ascending or descending from the Sort Order field. To apply the view settings to the current portfolio view, click the OK button at the bottom of the Portfolio Properties dialog box. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.